Meet the ECOVACS Deebot N30 PRO, an advanced robotic cleaning solution that combines intelligent vacuum and mopping capabilities. Equipped with advanced motor and airflow technology, this robot vacuum effectively cleans all floor types, from hardwood and tiles to carpets, ensuring thorough dirt and debris removal. The all-in-one station features automatic 60 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, self-emptying with a 2.6-liter dust bag lasting up to 75 days, and 40 degrees Celsius hot air drying to maintain freshness. The Osmo Turbo 2.0 mopping system delivers precise cleaning with 6N scrubbing pressure at 200 RPM, reaching corners within 1 millimeter accuracy and covering 99% of hard-to-reach areas. With over 5,270 customer ratings and a strong 4.5-star average, this robot vacuum has proven its reliability and performance. The package includes the Deebot N30 PRO Omni, robot vacuum with an Omni station, ZeroTangle 2.0 roller brush, side brush, and HEPA filter, all compatible with 240-volt Indian households. The Deebot N30 Pro Omni comes in a sleek black finish, offering various models including Mini Omni and N30 Omni version.